Hello, welcome to Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're going to make what Absolut calls a Vodkarita. We're going to make a drink from the brand today. Really simple drink, basic sours technique. We've only got 3 ingredients going on here, so let's just jump into it. Always start with your cheapest first, so you don't waste anything if you make any mistakes. Fresh lime juice, we want roughly around about 20 mils. Next, we're gonna take some agave syrup. Now, agave is usually about 20% sweeter than sugar, so we're only gonna need around 15 mil. Next up, we're gonna take the big boy, Absolut Lime, and we want a nice 45 mil. We're gonna shake this with some ice, but we're gonna prep the glass first. You've seen this technique before. Get some juice on there, all juiced up. Rim job. We're gonna get some ice. Now we're gonna shake. Dirty hands. No need to fine strain with this because we're already putting it into a glass with ice. The Vodkarita. One of the best drinks to showcase the true lime flavor of Absolut Lime, the Vodkarita. If you love lime, this is the drink for you.